yeah, they are big. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I was getting cabin fever. Being in a dark house, no, I was.
Outside for a while.
That's true. So we decided to come.
There's nowhere for him to go right now. I know, y'all behind me.
I mean, there is a sidewalk that he could go to.
There's not really, I don't know where there.
Yeah, there is. He just doesn't want to. So we decided to come out to the beach.
In the bike lane, some things do so.
Sam's yelling at this man, and he doesn't care. So we decided to come out and just check out the beach. It's Saturday, so if anything, we'll be feeling like light tropical stuff right now. And then as the day goes on, we have a curfew at 3, so we have to be back home by 3. So we're just out looking at the beach because this is the only time. God, I can smell it already. Normally,
Yeah, that's why I said way back at the light you could see the sea salt.
Yeah, it's kind of like hazy out.
Spray, I should say.
Yeah, you can't really see it on the camera, but you can definitely, like, if you're out here, see that it's kind of like
Big wave.
foggy.
Look at all the sand already.
Yeah. We may have to park and see if we can.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna park. Whoa.
Yeah, it's starting, people, but we are.
I know they closed the pier.
We are very, very fortunate that it has moved west. No, it's not open. You're gonna have to park on the fine side parking. Hi. We are very fortunate that it has gone west and we are not getting a direct hit. But unless it decides. There are a few tracks that do have it coming back a little bit more east. So it's a very like persnickety storm. Mother Nature's gonna do whatever the heck it wants to. But I just find
this is my one hold.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm surprised there's so many people. They all kind of wanted to do what we did, I guess.
People are leaving at the last. Okay. You're not paying attention.
Poopy! That's a cute doggy.
I know, everyone across the road in random places.
Oh my gosh, they're just now making up their own parking spots.
Well, Marcinski probably doesn't have parking now.
No, I think everything's closed.
I don't even know if there's a gate at those lots, but they must be because people are parking here.
There has to be. Because people are making literally their own parking. We've lived in Florida for a really long time.
Oh, there are lots of them.
And it's crazy. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And it's crazy. I've never seen this many people at the beach before. And look, there is a person with a surfboard thing. So, it's very interesting. That man's looking at me.
Yeah, I'm surprised there's this many people.
Me too, especially since today is like the day that it's really supposed to be
Everybody's
starting.
trying to get out as much as they can before the
I think that's possible too. We're all like, okay.
Oh, that gate's probably closed.
Yeah. We're all kind of doing the same thing. Like, this is the last little bit we can be out today. Get out while you can.
I'm hoping I'll find parking before we get to Garland.
You may not. Like, truthfully.
Does anyone know about this? Probably.
They definitely do. I agree with that. Well, I mean, it is pretty windy, but not like... I don't know where the camera lens is on there. Oh, Mr. Green Man made it into the water now. Okay, we are on our way. We're leaving the beach. Bye-bye, beach. Good luck.
Thanks, everybody.
Yeah, hopefully all these people leave at a decent time because it was starting to get kind of crazy. You can see the wind, kite surfer, or whatever. These people are like gonna party. They're like, we got our stuff, we're good.
Well, they got like 3 hours left.
Yep, we have our...
Scary if the water doesn't come up at it.
Yeah, we have our 3 o'clock curfew, so... But... Bye, beach. I'm still surprised there's so many people.
Considering how many people said they left.
But this could just be people coming to do what we're doing and then leave, you know?
Probably. I hope that's the case.
There's just like car after car after car.
If there weren't so many cars, I would get in and turn around, but there were so many, I'm just like, I'll go around.
Ironic song lyric right now. I'm hoping all these people are like gone because they're
Why are half of them not boarded up anyway?
right on the beach. Okay, so we're in the office and we're about to play some games. I don't know what we're gonna play. Spite and Malice. It's kind of like Skip-Bo. You get a certain amount of cards.
And Shirley.
The cards, and then maybe we'll play this. Ooh, look at it, shiny. Ooh. Can you tell I'm like a very ADD child? Look at the shine.
Shiny.
So, and this is all you get to see. It's clean where I'm sitting. Sam yelled at me earlier. Don't show people. I mean, it's kind of like, this is what happens when there's a hurricane.
When you think category 5 is going to hit you initially, you take care of all your important things and they come with you and there's a lot of stuff.
See? It was a quick view. But yeah, it's what happens when you think you have to.
And you have taxes you have to take, you know, keep track of.
Right, and you live in an area where your apartment complex doesn't board up and you need to protect your shit.
Sliding glass doors, which is really comforting.
Okay.
Glad I'm not there.
Yeah, so we're gonna play because with Saturday, we got basically 3 more days of this. It's only 1:30.
I remember if I need to combine these decks.
I think we do.
Why can I never remember that?
I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna send a picture to her aunt because her aunt said she moved in. So, or I said it looks like she moved in, and I want to show proof. Okay, now we're getting ready to play Spit. So we each have our own cards. She's looking up just to make sure we actually remember how to play because it's been a while since we've played that. What time is it?
Almost curfew.
Yeah, it's 2:42.
Get inside, people.
I mean,
get yelled at.
no, I think you're allowed to be like out of your house.
Well, I mean, don't be drunk.
You're not allowed to drive after 3. So, and it's funny, we've been watching people on Facebook. They're like, we're at the beach just to get a last little bit of time out before we have to get back for curfew. So, once 3 o'clock hits, nobody should be on the roads other than like emergency vehicles and stuff like that. Or if you have a horrible boss and you have to work, which hopefully is nobody. So, maybe we'll go out later. We went out a little bit ago and it was really bright and not really windy. It is obviously windier towards the beach, so. But that's because I think the storm slowed down a little bit and now we're not supposed to get that much effects today towards, I think it's like
yeah, I think it's supposed to come later than our
later, yeah. So like 5, 6, 7, somewhere around there. So we'll stay here till then. Maybe we'll go out in a little bit and look. I don't know.
Take a short walk.
Boredom. On our one of the last days for a little bit of actually decent weather. So that's that. Did we figure out how to play? Kind of?
I'm trying to refresh my memory.
Okay. More important hurricane supplies. Cupcakes from our neighbor. It's her daughter's birthday either today or this weekend. So they made a whole bunch of cupcakes and we were just out looking at the weather. And they said, here's a cupcake. So.
Aw,
yeah.
nice is that? They're very pretty.
Okay, you can't see anything, but I promise it's raining. I promise it's raining.
Please don't rain.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Sunday. I think it's like almost 10. I'm outside, out back. Don't worry, I'm being safe when I go out. So here is what it's looking like. It's kind of, I think it's drizzling a little bit. Yes, there's already like debris in the pool. But the pool's got some wavies in it. And yeah. The feeder bands are coming in. We're getting some feeder bands. There's our generator with extra gas, and we're all boarded up except this little hole so we can still kind of see what's going on. So, it is Sunday. Words. It's like 10, and I think they say the worst is supposed to come around like later on in the day and stuff. So, as of right now, we're hanging in, and we're doing good. Just starting to get a little bit more windy. We still have power. Mom's watching TV, so we still have power, thank God, but it's definitely getting windy. It's definitely getting windy. Alright, I'm gonna go into the house and be safe, and I will update later. Our fence is falling in a few spots. And it's starting to get kind of like barren over here. Table kind of flipped over on itself. Can you hear that, Adam? My gosh. And I only have the door open like a crack, so don't worry. Mom, did Dad take the blue thing out of the pool? Because if not, it's gone. Okay, as you can see there, my brother has his shutters off his window, but I don't. The drill my dad was using ran out of battery, and I'm trying to find the light. And we don't have any more batteries. All of them have like died. And he went to Home Depot and they don't have any more. So hopefully we'll get these off of our house soon. Oh no, the battery's dying. So it's Monday. We're good. Let me show you. There's only a little bit. Oh my gosh, my battery. My camera's gonna die. There was only a little bit of damage. Let's see. This was yesterday. It kind of still just looks the same. The neighbor's fence fell. So yeah. Nothing too crazy, thank God. We were very, 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 very lucky. It's Monday, like I said. School is out tomorrow for Tuesday. I'm not sure if it's gonna be out Wednesday because I know like a lot of teachers and just the community itself evacuated. So that's that. There's something weird. The only weird thing that happened was my Fitbit says it's 12:32 when it's 3:39. So I don't know how to fix this. I may have to get a new one at Walmart. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna go edit because nothing should be happening today. Yeah. So I'm gonna go edit, maybe charge this before it dies. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!